my besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We are completely opposites. Shannon is a risk taker, and I am very feet on the ground.
I will jump out of a plane if you ask me to.
And she has.
We have October's Eyescream Beauty. We're actually filming in October. You're not going to see this till November, but hooray.
It barely made it.
Yes. There was choice. I didn't choose. I said, send me whatever, because neither of the palettes really spoke to me. There was no spoilers for October. So this is all. We're going in blind. And it's like busting at the seams.
It is. It is ready to fall out.
Okay. So I'm going to give you this.
Ooh, I see some words that you like.
Oh, I do too. Okay, we're going to start as we do with the Duochrome. These are an extra $7 a month. The box is $30 a month. Ooh, oh my.
Ooh.
This would look good with my eye look today. So this first one is kind of a
like reddish orange bronze,
reddish
maybe?
orange bronzy moment. No, she is
Whoa.
red. She is red. Holy moly.
So last month,
Look at that. Oh, look at how orange it is on camera.
it looks really red. Okay, so it's gonna reflect red.
Mm-hmm.
So last time I swatched, it looked so pretty when it was wet.
So pretty.
Oh.
Love.
So this does not look like that on camera. Look at
It
that.
looks very different on camera than it looks in person. It's beautiful.
It's gorgeous. Oh my god.
I'm excited for that one. Next one is kind of a... Ooh, I'm not even really sure what...
It looks like a taupey bluish green.
Green. Yes.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, look how pink it is on camera.
Oh my goodness. Pinkish purple situation. Oh, this is so pretty.
That one's definitely a topper.
Yeah, it's so hard to see on me. Oh, it's
really
gorgeous. Pinkish purple I'm getting.
Yeah. But also green and blue and brown.
Oh, yeah,
It's got
that's
all
really
the
pretty.
colors.
Holy
And this
smokes.
last one looks very white.
Yes.
These are so much fun.
I know.
Ooh.
Oh.
So in the tub, it's white. On my finger, it is purple.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely a blue purple. This is a highlighter. I'm putting this on my cheeks. 100%.
She will. Absolutely. Oh, those are so incredibly
For
beautiful.
$7. I've not used them a lot because we're doing this whole makeup challenge thing. But they're so pretty, and I'm so happy to have them. Thankful to have them.
Ooh, look at her go. He's back.
Yeah, the demon child. All right, so I'm going to start with this Big Daddy in this box. This is from ZC. We've seen this before. Who did we get this from before?
The same brand. Okay, here we go. Space Highlighter by ZC Cosmetics.
Yes.
$35.
Interstellar Highlight Powder. Living comfortably. Colorfully. Oh, this has, I'm assuming, a expiration date of 4/3/2026.
No, don't do that.
That seems weird, doesn't it?
Yes. Oh, okay.
This is a different color.
No, so this looks like She Glam.
She Glam.
That looks like
Yes.
She Glam.
This packaging, I think, is a little more reflective.
Yeah,
I'm looking.
it's the
at it.
same
I
shape,
looked at it earlier today.
different
Yes.
situation.
So this is a highlighter?
Yes.
I think
Space
the one we got from
highlighter.
She Glam was a blush.
No, that was a highlighter. It's a pink. We got it from Trend Mood.
Yes.
Ooh.
It's absolutely a color that I will use too. Yes.
That's really boring for you.
It is really boring. That doesn't mean I won't use it.
Where is it?
Where is that? It's right here.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. So that's a no makeup situation.
Yeah. Yeah, that would look pretty on a blank face.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. $35.
This is from Aether Beauty. I've gotten something from them before.
We've gotten palettes from them. And I think that they're out of business.
Oh.
This is $14. This is a bonus. Crystal Infused Lip Gloss by Aether Beauty, $14.
I'm not going to swatch this. It's a pretty pink, but it's not something I need or I'm necessarily going to use.
Yeah.
This guy is, ooh, Charmacy.
Okay.
Neo Glow, Milano CMC Neo Glow Liner. Is this a lip liner or an eyeliner?
It says multi-chrome liquid liner by Charmacy, $21.
In the color Blush Aurora.
Bewitching hue to another with every flick of your eyes.
It's a liquid, so this might go home with you.
Depends on the color.
It's Blush Aurora, so I'm thinking it's pinkish.
Okay.
Which is
Fine.
But you like a duochrome eyeliner
I do.
situation. I like this brand.
I like that everything we've seen by them is duochrome or shifting.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. Cute little.
Oh. This is actually prettier than the Charlotte Tilbury one that I wasn't sure that I liked.
It's pink with like a gold shift.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
This
actually
is
really pretty.
right up your alley.
Oops.
Tried to shank you. It is almost Halloween, so if I'm gonna shank somebody,
This would be a great time to do it.
you're not at the top of my list.
Thank you.
This next thing is from Beauty Creations. We like Beauty Creations.
We do.
This is their Plump and Pout Without a Doubt in the color Legally Hot.
$7.
Okay.
I think Beauty Creation is such a nice brand and so
Especially for the price.
for the price point. Yes. Packaging's always so cute.
Oh, this looks like
That's an injection.
this is a whole syringe.
I've been telling her she needs to get lip injections anyway, so this is a great start.
It's got a locker on it.
Oh. That is such a neat component.
So it's literally like a syringe. You push the bottom up to get it to come out. Okay.
That's very pink.
It smells sweet.
It does smell sweet.
This is the color.
Like berries.
I don't feel a lot of tingle happen. Should I put it on my mouth?
I'm scared.
It's hot. It's not sticky.
Does it hurt?
I can feel it doing a thing. Do you see it doing a thing?
Do you want a drink?
No. Fun.
Okay, fun.
It's hot. I can feel it like it's trying to do something, but it's not so hot that it's painful.
Okay, and that's the kind you like.
Yes.
All right.
Oh, what's
Love it.
I found a thing. I found a thing. This is the Mo MB Mold Mattifier Oil Control Mask made with 100% biodegradable and antibacterial tensile fabric. Look, honey, if you need some balance in your life, try me.
Face mask by Mo Beauty, $6.
It's just beautiful.
Beautiful.
I don't know Mo Beauty.
Never heard of them. Let me see if it says anything.
It's got calendula. I don't really need an oil control mask, but it does say anti-acne. So if I'm having a breakout, this might be good for self-care Sundays.
Yes.
Fun.
Yes.
This box is fun. All right. So the pals were trick or treat. That's right.
That is so cute. Oh my gosh.
This is Eyescream Beauty X Beauty Moon Cosmetics. What is this? $35?
$35.
Goodness.
You got it. It's a treaty. Oh,
again.
Oh, okay. Yep.
We have the.
I like that. I do.
Little. What's happening right now?
That is beautiful.
Will you use this?
No.
Okay.
But I think it's beautiful. The sparkles when you took the lids off was like, oh.
Yeah. Let's swatch this sucker.
Oh, she's going in.
Yeah, because
you have to touch something. She has to touch something.
This one.
That's the one?
That's the one.
Ooh. Oh, that's pretty.
So is that. That's a beautiful swatch.
That is as well.
Not a skip in that.
Who is this? Eyescream Beauty Collab?
And Beauty
Moon.
Okay. She's there. Very minty. That's pretty too.
Wow.
It's a nice pink.
Oh my goodness. This is so pretty.
Got a big chunk.
You do have a chunk situation. Oh, I can't wait to see that pinky purple shift. Donna,
we're busy. Okay, that's not supposed to be black. That pinky purple shift is beautiful.
The pink is pretty. That's a really pretty palette. I think that both of these...
That brown shimmer is very soft.
This guy?
Yeah. So, I don't love it. I don't hate it.
There's some things in there that are
I can definitely
fun.
do some things with it.
Yeah.
It's cute.
It is cute. But this for me is...
So, this color story, though, does match the packaging, which I love. Like, I like looking at a carton and knowing what I'm going to find.
Yes.
I appreciate that. Is that everything?
It is.
Yes. Okay. This was fun this month.
This is always fun.
She made a mess.
So let me tell you something. One thing I really appreciate about Eyescream is that there's always something that's like, oh, it's not the same old boring stuff. It's not repetitive.
The only thing we'd even close to seen before was the moon highlight.
Yeah, and that was a completely different company and box.
But
yeah,
I didn't lock
fun.
it and it leaked in this litter.
Shame.
This is the cutest packaging.
Yeah, it is.
Like, if you're going to do a plumping situation, making it look like an actual syringe injector is really cute. Really cute.
It is.
Yeah, I'm I'm happy. It's probably not my favorite box ever. There's a few things that I'm going to send the liner home with you. I'm probably not going to use this little lip gloss guy. A face mask is fine. The box is only $30, so I definitely feel like you get your money's worth, even if there's a couple things you won't use in here, so I can't be mad at it. It's not my favorite, but it was fun.
It's always fun, yeah.
This.
Yeah.
So fun. So, yeah. Did you get the Trick palette? Did you love it? Was it as cute as the Treat palette? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
And we will see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.